Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be like another DIY type thing with the kids, and we got these adorable, cute little birdhouses from Dollar Tree. I'm trying to get the other one. Okay. So there's three different ones. I think they had more, but I only grabbed just three different ones, and I have enough for all of the kids to do at least one. And so we're gonna go ahead and get this all set up. Again, these are from Dollar Tree, and I also got these
Dollar Tree. I think so.
Actually, these aren't from Dollar Tree. These are from the 99-cent store, but they do have something similar at Dollar Tree as well. So we are going to get everything set up, and we'll get back or come back, and you guys can see what we're doing. Okay, guys, if you haven't guessed yet, we are going to actually take these little birdhouses, and they're going to color them with the washable markers. So I'm gonna let them go ahead and do that, and just film.
Oh, I forgot brown.
Yeah.
I forgot brown. I just need 4. I do rainbow. Me too.
Okay, you're supposed to color. Color.
I do blue.
Look, see, like this.
These are multiple. Blue. Can I tell my people and print them? Don't. Hey. I'm sorry, don't wait. This one. Not orange.
So the other day we went to Dollar Tree to get some stuff, but it wasn't for this. And I just seen these and thought it would be a really cute idea to let them color these. My older daughter does not want to color or doesn't want to be on video, so yeah, okay, put it right here so you can color.
Who doesn't want to show her face? Her face is creepy.
Okay, you guys stop being mean.
Red, orange, yellow, green. Blue. Go by wait, we got to do What else name this at? You can just keep it.
Well, considering these are too small for birds to go into, maybe we can put them in your rooms. Don't mind. Don't mind my coloring. Looks weird. I'm just doing something with the kids and figured I'd do a video on it. Yeah, it's a house.
I'm running my house. Or wait for Yuki a birthday present for doggies can go in here. No, it's gonna skip stuff. Look at mine. The same pattern. Oh wait, no, the mixed up. Wait, that's pretty. It's Mommy, look. It's washable.
Yeah.
Oh,
It comes off, it says it's washable.
I thought oh, you can put any bubbles on it. Ooh.
You gonna put bubbles on it?
Yeah. Yeah, it says bubbles. I want to put bubbles on it. I thought on until.
You did? It's okay, it comes off.
We just going to take it back anyway.
Yeah, bubbles.
Mom, where's bubbles?
I don't know what they're talking about with bubbles.
It's not the black one? This. On the black one. It's on this. It's on this.
I'm trying to get as close as I can to this little
thing.
I think it's called a perch.
The little
or
boy
something.
with sand on. Or you can just go sleep on it. I can't get close to it.
I can eat a rainbow. Rainbow.
If you guys are curious about what oh my goodness.
Dude.
Okay, shh. He's singing one of the songs from Signing Time.
Yeah.
Because we watched Signing Time because Tadashi.
Because Tadashi is...
Because he is considered deaf. And everybody has been learning how to do sign language.
Because I forgot all of it.
Your daddy gave him. I'm going to show him this. I'm going to show him this too.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, you want to show everybody? Okay.
Mine's almost done.
So this is Tadashi's.
I almost done. I decided to do this one
And he is leaving all the markers open.
So,
Who said so? Yeah. Good Yoshi doing himself.
yeah, I'm sorry.
There we go. Now that I'm nice and thick.
Okay.
Okay,
I am
Mom.
just doing random colors all the way around
Sorry, not get some on my hand. Oh, wait, no, I got
because
some on my hand.
that's Mia's. That's Mia's.
I guess Mia going to color it not on camera. Because Mia don't like being on camera. Did you just write on Mia?
He drew down my back, actually.
Okay, guys, so I think I'm going to go ahead and
No.
let them color the rest of theirs, and then we will come back and show you guys what they come up with. Okay, guys, so they're almost done
I'm done.
coloring, but I just wanted to show you guys
mine.
just
Look at mine.
these how cute they are.
Don't look in the back.
Some of them are finished, some of them aren't.
Done.
But I just figured I'd show you guys. We had so much fun making these.
I got a high by you.
I did the heart right
Go over and show you what Yuki's doing. Show everybody.
Copy.
And
Tasha did pretty good. His dinner's
yeah.
on the way.
So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button and notification bell as well, so that way you guys know when we upload. Any ideas or anything, go ahead and leave it in the comment box below. And or you could tell us, you could send us messages or anything on any of our social medias, which would be linked in the description box below. We love you guys so much, and we'll see you in our next video.
Bye.